Scooter with a surfboard. That was awesome. Hey, folks, Mr. McStache.
Wow.
That was for sale. Oh, no, still pending. Never mind. Don't get the checkbook out yet, baby.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't know?
So, I was told that we want to hop on the 1A and ride it north. So, we're on the 1A. I see a couple surfers. So, yeah, maybe there is something worth looking at.
I see the water.
We're headed north. Try and pay little to no attention to Mrs. McStache. When she gets this close to the water, she goes a little...
I love the ocean.
goofy.
Although that's pretty dirty right there. That's pretty dirty right there.
Yeah, it's not quite looking like the ocean.
That I want to swim in.
No, that's got yuck. But we've never been this far up. Maybe that's why. Look at all the little rocks found.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why they like the rocky beaches up here, because it's a little cleaner, they say. Oh, the beach bums look a lot different up here than they do where I've been before. Still changing on the side of the road, trying to get out to the waves, but yeah, I wonder what that is.
It looks like the scum you see in a hot tub at a hotel. That means dirt. My hot tub don't look like that, but the hot tubs you see at a hotel look like that.
So, scummy hot tub water, all right.
That's what it looks like. You asked, you got an answer.
So yeah, whoever the grumpy old Yankee, that who was, no, wandering Yankee, excuse me. Whoever the wandering Yankee is that told me to take the 1A, that's a pretty good idea. It's like a nice little ride. Not that kind of ride.
Smells like stinky fish.
Stinky
They're
fish.
the ocean.
Stinky fish. Ocean Boulevard, Route 1A. Parking for members only. Oh, private beach. Not used to that neither. And
Yeah.
a lot of the places I've been, there is no private beach.
Yeah.
You must have public access to the beach. Must allow,
Oh,
excuse
look,
me.
they have lifeguards.
Huh?
They have lifeguard stations here. I haven't seen very many of them along this coast.
No, I have not seen a lot of that. Or rock stacking. That must be a hobby for people around here.
Rock stacking?
Yeah, we'll have to Google New Hampshire rock stacking. Lion.
Oop, I forgot I'm on record. I was going to record some of the beach for the kids. So as soon as I get the video camera out, the beach disappears.
Those houses. Dudes motor in. They got vacancy, baby. Got your swimsuit, right?
Yep.
Run you right
Sure
across,
do.
Run you right across the street to the beach. To Ginniness State Beach. No, I'm not going to say that. Paved, I'll cut through there and you get shots of the beach. Yeah, that's gridlock.
Yeah.
No, it's public beach parking. That's definitely not going to be easy to get through there.
Yeah.
Ah, here's trash. $20 for parking back here. I wonder how close we are to Laconia. See a lot of Laconia shirts.
Yeah.
Sorry, girls.
Uh-huh.
Probably cost $800 a night,
You know? It's not even on the beach.
right?
I don't know what it was, but it was a historic marker.
Atlantic Cable Station.
So I took a picture. Read it later.
Okay. Oh, crap.
What?
Laconia is way in town from us.
Yeah, we don't want that.
No.
You got to put back in your lighthouse.
Yeah. Don't pour out. Try not. High Harbor State Park. Great seafood. Oh, well, no. So I would think you want to be doing all the remodeling in the off season, but we're in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
The water, I think the off season.
Sail pending.
Oh, well, I think the off season might be a little rough with all the water right there.
Yeah.
being this far north. There's apartments, they gotta be rentals. Can-Am on his shorts, no shirt, gloves. Gotta protect them hands.
Yeah.
Like we like to say, folks, love on your family.
Check on the body.
And when you get back out there, keep the rotor side down. We'll see you next one, folks.
Don't forget to check out our Patreon.
For
Like
as little,
these people up here.
for as little as $1 a month, you too can help out local businesses.
Yippers.
Thanks for watching, folks.
Bye-bye.